Hi folks, I'm Ara. Welcome to Little Garden Foods presentation. Today we're going to prepare my version of Mediterranean chickpea salad. We start with some chickpeas. This is 1 cup. Add some cucumbers. Some tomatoes. A little bit of red onions. We add some olives. And it's time to put the dressing. We're going to use our Fattoush dressing, which contains sumac and oregano, which will give you a great taste to the salad. Give it a nice stir. As it is, it looks great salad, but we're going to add a few more ingredients. Some feta cheese. And a little bit of pomegranate grains. And some parsley. Okay, it's ready. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Try this great salad and let me know what you think. And please subscribe.